Emma solved the equation that is given, and her first step is below. So looking at her work, it appears as if she divided both sides by 5. And then it looks like she divided each side by 5. So she's going to get rid of those 5s, leaving us with negative x plus 2 is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is 3. And so to solve this, we can go ahead and change that into negative x minus 2 is equal to 3. She's going to add 3 to both sides. Okay, so this is Emma's work here. I'm going to show you Ben's work in a different color. Alright, so the first step that he did, it looks like he distributed this negative. So that's going to leave us with 5 minus x minus 2 is equal to 15. And then if I were to solve this, I would combine my like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And then I'm going to subtract the 3 over. And then divide both sides by negative 1. So to answer the question, will they get the same answer if the rest of their work is correct? No, they will not. And how do I know? Because when I come up here and I look at Emma's work, even though 5 is not being multiplied by anything, her first step was to do an inverse operation of divide by 5. So that wouldn't be correct, because we know that the first step should have been for you to distribute that negative 1. So no, they will not get the same answer. And how do I know? Because Emma made a mistake. All right, let's see if Kayla made any mistakes in this problem. So looking at her work, it appears as though she distributed this negative 5 onto both of these terms, turning that into negative 5x plus 20. And then it appears as though she combined like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So negative 5 combined with a positive 2 is going to give us a negative 3. So that also appears to be correct. And then in order to get the x by itself, we need to get the x's together. So she added 3x to both sides. And that's going to leave us with 20 is equal to 5x. So that step looks correct. And then in order to get 5 by itself, we're going to have to divide both sides. In order to get the x by itself, we're going to have to divide both sides by 5. So those cancel, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that is also a correct step. So is her answer correct? Yes. I don't see any errors.